me for letting you feel free. Yeah. He left you 8 times in a year. Your worth is much more than a mirror. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a little bit disappointed because I didn't make the weight. I didn't lose significant weight from yesterday either. So I'll go out today. I don't know if I'll do any simulated race or tune-up race, but we'll see. I'll just go and shoot for next week Sunday. Yeah. It seems like it's impossible for me to lose the weight because I'm eating too much, and I know it, but I can control it. So we'll see if better days are coming. Hello, Lolo. Hey. I'm stooping here because I'm out of time here, but I just got back from Costco. I'm gonna try to warm up and see if there's still light left enough to try to do a mile run. Yeah. I'm not even sure what shoes I'm going to be wearing. Definitely not the super shoes, the Hyperion Elite 2. No, not on the trail here. And I'm going to start out with my trainers, my Brooks Ghost 13, and probably even running those. Or I switch to my pretend racing shoes, my Saucony Ride iOS 2s. Okay, later. All right. Yeah, that's it. I think we did something like 6:30 something for that tune-up race. And the course wasn't optimum. I was a little spot where there was some water slipping and sliding, but I managed to run safely. There are 2 spots, the tricky spots, but I shouldn't be doing this late at night when it's all dark, but had to get it done and felt good. Didn't feel very great about the results, but felt good about the effort. Man, my chest was burning a little, and my arms were feeling cold and everything, so I knew I was putting some effort into it. Climbing up the hills here slowed me down a little, but that is good, very, very good workout. So I'll chart it up as a great night for running. And now we look forward to better times, lose some weight, and get into fitness so that the race times can come down, the mile times can come down. All right.
Your worth is much more than a mirror. Yeah. I really was thankful. You tell me one thing, you tell me another, you do another. one thing, and I believe it. You tell me stop asking questions just to live it.